In 1858, Charles Darwin and Alfred Russel Wallace developed the theory of evolution by natural selection. In 1859, Darwin published On the Origin of Species, which detailed his theory of descent with modification through natural selection, or evolution. And in this video, I'm going to be going over some key problems with it and how to defend your faith against evolution. For example, the dice. If I have a 6-sided die, what is the chance that it lands on 3? 1 in 6, right? That's the possibility that it lands on the number 3. But if I roll it and it lands on 4, what's the possibility that it landed on 4? 100%, right? So let's cover this. This world happened. So there isn't a 100% chance that this happened. Keep that in perspective when I go on. Scientists say that the chance of evolution and the Big Bang happening as it happened is a 1 in 68 trillion chance. To put that into perspective, if 68 trillion lottery tickets covered the Earth, each ticket would take up less than 1 square inch, and you'd still have enough to cover the planet's surface hundreds of times over. Picking the winning ticket from that pile would be your 1 in 68 trillion shot. And let me beg the question, at one point does improbability become impossibility? Sure, there's technically a chance, but the chance that assuming God exists and him making the earth is 100%. So why do people gamble their soul on a 1 in 68 trillion chance? Psalm 14:1 answers this question. The fool says in his heart, there is no God. They are corrupt, they do abominable deeds, and there is none who does good. It says there will always be fools who doubt God. But we have to stand strong. Why they do it, I don't know. Why would you put your soul on a 1 in 68 trillion chance? But that's today's video. If you have any questions, ask me or your pastor. Peace.